The NEC PA653U Desktop Projector represents a blend of professional-grade precision and advanced projection technology, designed for those who need consistent performance and visual clarity in demanding environments. With 6,500 ANSI lumens of brightness, this projector stands out as a powerhouse for large rooms, lecture halls, and business presentations where brightness and sharpness matter most. The most noticeable strength of the NEC PA653U is its ability to maintain image quality even in well-lit environments. At 6,500 lumens, it cuts through ambient light with ease, producing visuals that remain vibrant, detailed, and accurate without requiring complete darkness. This level of brightness allows flexibility for business meetings, educational institutions, and professional installations that need clarity under all conditions. Equipped with 3 LCD projection technology, the color reproduction here is remarkably natural and evenly distributed across the entire image. Unlike single-chip systems that sometimes display the rainbow effect, this 3-panel setup ensures smoother gradients and uniform tones. The visuals are bright yet balanced, ideal for both static content and dynamic visuals. Whether it's presentations, data charts, or HD video content, everything looks consistently precise. Resolution is Full HD, 1920 by 1080 pixels, giving the display excellent sharpness and text clarity. This is especially noticeable when showing detailed spreadsheets or technical illustrations. The projector's color management system delivers accurate color calibration and deeper contrast levels, providing better shadow detail and definition. Whites appear bright but not washed out, while blacks retain solid depth, even in brighter projection modes. In terms of build, the NEC PA653U carries a professional, minimalist design. The white exterior blends easily with any setup, from a classroom ceiling mount to a corporate meeting room. The projector's form factor supports flexible installation options, including front, rear, and ceiling configurations. Lens shift and optical zoom functions make alignment easy, removing the need for awkward physical adjustments during setup. Connectivity options are extensive, offering HDMI, VGA, DisplayPort, USB, and LAN interfaces. This range allows for easy connection to laptops, media players, and network systems. The LAN connection adds smart control capability, enabling centralized management for multiple units across large facilities. For organizations that require system monitoring and control, this feature saves time and boosts efficiency. Reliability is another area where the NEC PA653U stands strong. The projector is built with a sealed light engine that minimizes dust intrusion and maintenance requirements. The advanced cooling system helps regulate temperature, ensuring consistent performance over extended use. The long-lasting lamp and filter-free operation make it a dependable choice for continuous, heavy-duty use. Audio is delivered through integrated speakers that handle general presentation use effectively. While they're not built for cinema-level sound, they provide enough clarity for most professional environments. For larger spaces, connecting an external sound system completes the setup. User experience is smooth and intuitive. The menu system is organized and simple to navigate, allowing users to fine-tune brightness, sharpness, and color balance quickly. The projector starts up fast, adjusts automatically, and maintains consistent output with minimal effort. Overall, the NEC PA653U is designed for those who value dependable performance, exceptional image brightness, and flexible installation. It's an ideal solution for corporate users, educators, and professionals looking for precision projection on a large scale. With its blend of powerful brightness, accurate colors, and smart functionality, this projector truly earns its place as a top-tier choice for professional environments. If you're looking to upgrade your setup with a projector that delivers consistent brightness, long-lasting reliability, and superior clarity, the NEC PA653U is built to perform. To get this high-performance model, check out the link in the description below.